project is all about generating electricity from waste material. In other words, turning waste into something really, really useful. And the microbial fuel cell technology is something that does exactly that. It takes the waste that we naturally produce and it converts it directly into electricity. At the moment, we are at a stage where we have powered a number of electronic devices as standalone demonstrations, and we've got to the point that we can now power up a mobile phone, a normal mobile phone. The microbial fuel cell is it's an energy converter, if I can put it in simple terms. It takes one form of energy and it converts it to something different. So inside the microbial fuel cell we've got live organisms, live bugs, the same bugs that we will find in sediment, in soil, even in our gut for digestion. And those little organisms inside the microbial fuel cell, they eat the fuel that we give them, and by eating it, breaking it down, they produce electrons, which are the electricity that we see at the output of the microbial fuel cell. Urine is exceptionally good as a fuel for those microorganisms. What you see here is a bottle which is half full with real human urine. The urine is pumped. You can see the tube going through this multi-channel peristaltic pump, and it's pumped into the top floor of this cascade of microbial fuel cell. Each one of these cylinders that you see is as an individual microbial fuel cell. The urine enters the first one from the top, and it runs through along the cylinder all the way through, comes out here, and it goes through the second stage of the cascade system of the microbial fuel cell. It gets processed, it gets eaten up by the organisms inside the microbial fuel cell, comes out the bag and enters the final stage of the cascade. It gets further processed by the organisms inside the third microbial fuel cell, and then the waste comes out in this collection bottle here. And this is a repeated stage, so we've got 3 more stages that are connected like batteries, if you like, all collectively producing enough energy to be able to turn on to power this mobile phone. The work we've been doing over the years has been funded by the UK Engineering and Physical Sciences Research Council, EPSRC, also by the UK Technology Strategy Board and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The urine work in particular has been the main focus of the EPSRC fellowship, also the Gates Foundation Grand Challenges Explorations grant that we've had, that's primarily interested in developing these for the developing world.